So here is the scatter plot. On the x-axis, I have the time when I started from my home, and on y-axis is the traveling time. And what I want to prove with this scatter plot is that if I start late from my home, it takes more time, because by that time there is a lot of traffic, and that traffic allows me to go slow. So if I start early, then I reach fast. If I start late, then I reach late. Not late, but it takes more time to travel, and that's what I wanted to check. That was my hypothesis, and for that I plotted this scatter plot. On x-axis, the time I started from my home. So if I start at 6 o'clock, 6:10, 6:15, 6:30, I took all those measurements and I plotted that against the time it took me to travel. And if you look at the top, it just gives you an indication that yes, there is a relationship between these two things. And on the bottom graph, I have put a line also. This line gives me an idea that if I start late from my home, then it's going to take more time for traveling. Instead of, let's say, 12 minutes, it's going to take 17 minutes for traveling the same distance, because as the time passes, more people go to office and there is a traffic problem, and that allows me to go slow. So this is how you can plot a scatter diagram.